Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. But before we begin, please subscribe and like this video because it helps me out a lot. So you need to open up your Facebook app. From there go to menu, and from there go to top right on the gear selector icon. Now there are many ways to find the option, but the fastest way is just go to the search bar at the top right, click on search settings and type in deactivate. And from there you want to click on personal details and it will automatically take you to the thing. And then you have like your information, identity confirmation, whatever, but what interests you is this account ownership and control. You want to click on that. And then you want to click on deactivation or deletion. Temporarily deactivates or permanently deletes your accounts or profiles. You want to click on that. You want to select your Facebook, and then you have two options: to deactivate account or delete it. If you deactivate your account, which is temporary, your account and the main profile will be deactivated, and your name and photos will be removed from most things that you shared, and you'll be able to continue using Messenger. And that's it. That's how you deactivate your Facebook account. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like and leave a comment. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was your problem down below and I'll do my best to help you out.